rolling now?
We are. Are you ready to roll?
No. Not anymore.
Good morning.
Morning.
Today's day 6. Today's day 6.
It is.
It's raining out.
It is also doing that.
We're in Texas.
And we're sleepy.
We're sleepy. Say hi, Abby.
Hi. Diego is a real life sleepy.
Diego got left in the back for a little while too. It is. Oh, apparently I have a low battery. It's 8:15, and we've been on the road since about 6:45. We have a long way to go today. We are going to New Mexico. Hopefully, get to see some fun things in caverns like bats. Yesterday was a much needed day off. Fortunately, we're both still pretty sleepy. What else? I mean, you want to do a mile check?
Yeah. Okay. Well, apparently we learned yesterday that my trip mileage only goes to 2,000, and then it resets itself. So, luckily it's easy to add 2,000 to things. So we are at 2,064.4 miles, which is, I was gonna say it's more than halfway. Obviously it's more than halfway because we made a halfway video. So everything from here on out is more than halfway. I am totally awake enough to be driving. I promise.
What's our total 47 something miles?
Oh, my car's total mileage, just over 47,000 miles. I will not hit 50,000 miles on this trip, but I will likely hit it very shortly after, and it will be super exciting. And even though our trip will be over, I will post pictures anyways, because I'm going to be really excited about it. Taking her long ways. That's creepy because it's so close to the wheel.
Our goal for today is to find roadkill armadillo. Other than that, that's pretty much it.
You just want to see an armadillo, dead or alive.
It might be another video moment. We'll see.
I hope we see it dead, because if it's alive, it might be about to be dead. I don't want to be the one to make it dead.
Apparently their shells are really hard. Yep.
Where did that come from?
My dad.
Oh. Thanks, Fred.
We had this conversation this morning already.
We did?
Yeah.
Was I awake?
We should go.
We gotta go.
Bye.